Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. From zero to hero, how to build a profitable online business. If you've ever dreamed of being your own boss and achieving financial independence, this video is for you. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, let me share some inspiring success stories of individuals who started from scratch and turned their online businesses into booming enterprises. They prove that with dedication, perseverance, and the right strategies, anyone can achieve incredible success in the online world. Meet John, an ordinary person who decided to pursue his passion for handmade jewelry. With a simple website, quality products, and effective online marketing, he transformed his small business into an international brand, earning him a six-figure income. Now let's meet Sarah, a fitness enthusiast who wanted to share her knowledge with the world. Through creating online courses and building a strong social media presence, she established herself as an influential fitness coach, attracting a large following and generating substantial revenue. These success stories are just a glimpse of what's possible when you embark on your online business journey. So, let's get started on our step-by-step guide to building a profitable online business. The first crucial step is to identify your niche, a specific area of expertise or a unique product that sets you apart from the competition. Research market trends, analyze your target audience, and find a niche where your passion and skills align. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to develop your brand identity. Create a memorable brand name, design a captivating logo, and define your brand's values and mission. Consistency across your website, social media platforms, and promotional materials is key to building a strong brand image. Your website is the face of your online business. Ensure it is visually appealing, user-friendly, and optimized for search engines. Showcase your products or services, provide valuable content, and make it easy for visitors to navigate and make purchases. Now that your online presence is established, it's time to drive traffic to your website. Utilize various marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Experiment, analyze the results, and refine your marketing approach for maximum impact. As your online business gains momentum, it's important to explore different monetization strategies. This could include selling products or services, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or even creating digital products like ebooks or online courses. Continuously analyze and optimize your revenue streams and focus on scaling your business for long-term growth. Congratulations! You now have a roadmap to turn your online business dreams into reality. Remember, building a profitable online business takes time, effort, and perseverance, but the rewards are well worth it. So, start taking action today and embark on your journey from zero to hero. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, feel free to leave your comments and questions down below. Until next time, happy building, and see you in the next video.
First blood. Double kill.